Hello and welcome. In this session, we'll be exploring how AWS Deadline Cloud seamlessly integrates with Adobe After Effects to transform the rendering process for creative professionals like you. Rendering can be a frustrating bottleneck, taking up valuable time and resources. But with AWS Deadline Cloud, you can speed up your workflow, automate rendering tasks, and collaborate in real time. Let's dive in and see how it works. Before we get into the details, let's take a moment to understand AWS Deadline Cloud. It's a cloud-based render management system designed for scalability and automation. It intelligently distributes rendering tasks across multiple AWS cloud instances, ensuring faster completion. And it enables seamless collaboration, so teams can work together from anywhere in the world. In short, AWS Deadline Cloud makes rendering faster, smarter, and more efficient. Now, let's talk about what makes AWS Deadline Cloud so powerful. First, dynamic resource allocation. This means the system automatically adjusts computing power based on your rendering needs. Need more power? It scales up. Need less? It scales down. Next, seamless integration with Adobe After Effects. No complicated setup required. Just submit your render jobs directly from After Effects, and Deadline Cloud takes care of the rest. And finally, comprehensive monitoring tools. You get real-time updates, job progress tracking, and automated reporting so you always know the status of your renders. Sounds amazing, right? Now, let's talk about what this means for creative professionals like you. So, how does AWS Deadline Cloud help you? First, more creative freedom. No more waiting hours for renders to finish. Focus on what truly matters, creating stunning visuals. Second, enhanced collaboration. Your team can access the same rendering resources from anywhere. No need to send files back and forth or deal with hardware limitations. Simply put, AWS Deadline Cloud lets you spend less time waiting and more time creating. Alright, let's see how AWS Deadline Cloud actually works with Adobe After Effects. First, scalable resource management. The system dynamically assigns compute resources based on how complex your render is. Second, efficient job submission. Instead of manually configuring render settings, just send your project directly to AWS Deadline Cloud from After Effects. And third, comprehensive job tracking. Real-time dashboards keep you updated on job status, estimated completion times, and resource usage. It's an effortless way to optimize your workflow. Now, let's talk about how AWS Deadline Cloud makes rendering even easier. Streamlined project submission, just a few clicks, and your project is in the cloud. Automated resource management, no manual configurations. AWS handles it for you. Real-time performance insights, track rendering progress, spot bottlenecks, and optimize efficiency. This means fewer headaches and a smoother workflow. Beyond just speed and automation, AWS Deadline Cloud offers some advanced features to enhance your projects. Custom font support and adjustable frame processing, ensuring typography and motion graphics render perfectly. Cost-effective scaling and quick setup, control cloud resources based on budget, and get started in minutes. This means more flexibility and faster turnaround times. Managing a large project? AWS Deadline Cloud helps you stay on track. Immediate issue identification, get alerts the moment an error occurs. Performance metrics tracking, analyze CPU usage, render speed, and optimize efficiency. Enhanced team collaboration, everyone stays in sync with live updates. This level of monitoring keeps your projects running smoothly from start to finish. Who should use AWS Deadline Cloud? Motion graphic designers, handle complex animations effortlessly. Filmmakers and VFX studios, render high-quality effects without expensive hardware. Advertising and marketing agencies, create engaging visuals faster. Freelancers and solo creators, get enterprise-level rendering without enterprise costs. Now, let's take a look at some real-world use cases. High-quality film rendering, perfect for movies and high-end VFX. Live TV broadcasts, ideal for real-time motion graphics in news and sports. Freelancers and content creators, affordable, powerful rendering at your fingertips. No matter what industry you're in, AWS Deadline Cloud can help you work faster and smarter. Ready to start using AWS Deadline Cloud? It's easier than you think. Keycap 1. Follow AWS's step-by-step setup guide. Keycap 2. Configure your rendering preferences. Keycap 3. Start submitting jobs directly from Adobe After Effects. And that's it. You're now ready to take your rendering workflow to the next level. AWS Deadline Cloud and Adobe After Effects make rendering faster, easier, and more efficient. Whether you're working on a blockbuster film, a social media ad, or a passion project, this integration ensures you get the best results in the shortest time. Thanks for listening. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.